and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we give you very much Barbie vibes. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that little red button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Also be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. And I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. My name is Kayla. I'm hoping you're enjoying my videos and my content this far, and welcome back to my old subscribers. Hey y'all, hey. But I hope y'all are enjoying the videos. If y'all have any requests for any type of videos that y'all would like for me to do on my channel, just drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up so I know that you like the video. But yeah, I think that's all I pretty much have to say. I think that y'all enjoy my top 3 videos more than my my voiceover videos. I think I'm gonna do more top through videos. I just don't really know what to talk about, so maybe we could drop some topics down below, or I don't know. Yeah, because I don't like to record a video if I don't know, like if I don't have anything to say and it just be like awkward, because it's already a little awkward then I be talking to a camera. But yeah, if y'all have any requests or if you want to see more of certain types of videos, just drop a comment down below. Jumping right into the makeup tutorial, I'm starting off with my Kevin Aucoin concealer, and I'm using this as my eyeshadow base. So jumping right into this, the palette I'm using today is my Kara Beauty Purple Haze palette, and I'm going in with the shade Bubble Kush, and it's like a purplish pinkish shade, and I'm going to be using this on the outer 2 parts of my eyes. So it's we're doing a halo look, so I'm just stamping this on the outer, and then I'm going into my inner eye with the same shade, and then I'm going to bring it into my crease and blend it together. So the next shade I'm going in with is the shade Matchup, and I'm using this to deepen up the outer parts of the halo. So I'm applying this in the same spots that I applied the Kush shade. So the next shade that I'm going to be going in with is the shade Eyes Low, and I'm going to be using this to blend out the 2 shades that I just applied. So I'm just basically using this as a transition color for those 2 deeper shades. And for my next shade, I'm going in with the shade Past It. It's like this coral shade, and like I just used the Eyes Low shade, I'm just using this to further blend out that transition so we don't have any harsh lines. So next I'm going in with this shade called Lighters in the Palette. I was trying to deepen up my outer corners of the look, but this shade really didn't do too much for me. So next I'm going back in with my Kevin Aucoin concealer, and I'm using this to carve out the center of my eye for the halo look, because we will be going in with a lighter shade. So now for my lead shade, I'm going in with this pretty full shade at the top. It's called Indecisive. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, this shade wasn't really picking up on my brush like I wanted it to, but it was really pretty. So then I'm going back into my palette and I'm taking Bait, which is this Barbie pink color. And I'm using this to like diffuse the corners so they don't look as harsh. So like you can't really see the line between I put the concealer and where it stops. So that first lid shade wasn't showing up all that great. So I went in with a Urban Decay Metals palette. But yeah, so that completes the eye look. Now moving on to the face. I'm taking my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and I'm just applying this all over my face. So next for my foundation, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. And I think I'm in the shade 420. If not, I will have that listed down below. And I'm taking this on a Real Techniques brush and I'm just applying this all over my face. So for concealer, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I don't know the exact shade to this, but I will have it listed down below. And I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, down my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I'm going to be blending this out with a Morphe brush. And for contour set, I'm going in with my KKW contour stick. I think this is the shade medium, but I feel like I should have got the deepest shade. But yeah, I'm just using my Zoeva stippling brush to blend this out. For my setting powder, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty, and I think this is the shade Blondie. But I do recommend y'all to purchase this setting powder because it's the bomb. But moving on to contour, I'm taking my Makeup Forever. It's like a duo ended contour and highlighting, and I'm just using the contour side to to contour my face where I applied the cream. And for highlighter, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. And I want to say Hustler Baby, if I'm not mistaken. But I will have that listed down below. Yes. So this is my favorite part, y'all. I love some highlighter. So after I apply my highlighter, I go in with my Urban Decay setting spray to set all that in place. And then I go back in with my highlighter it gives it a extra pop. But that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.